What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this HiDock conference speakerphone with USB hub functionality. This one actually brought a lot of convenience to our life because this one comes with a lot of ports and a control panel. There are some hardware buttons, a nice LED light, and these actually helps us to control the whole thing very easily. Yeah, today we are gonna talk about this, but before that let me mention why did I buy this one. It's like this. In this studio, there are 5 other peoples other than me. Yeah, they work at the same place, but they have their different desks. But sometimes we need to do some conference calling, like when I'm not here, they want to discuss about some matters with me. And it's very difficult for me to talk to each and everybody one by one and to put it together and to understand. It was like, okay, I was totally tired, exhausted. So we have bought a conference speaker phone a few months ago. If you have watched my other videos, you may have already noticed that. But that one didn't work well. There are like 3 problems. The first thing is, as these people wanna sit in their own desk and wanna talk with me, the distance from the speaker phone is a bit different. Someone is sitting 2 meters away, someone is sitting 3 meters away, someone is sitting 1 meter away. So the person who sits a bit near to the speaker phone, I could listen to him or her a bit better, a bit louder than the others. So yeah, I didn't like it. Another thing is, as these people sometimes want to talk together at the same time, they want to like, I want to talk first, I want to talk first. It's a mess and it creates a bit of a noise. So noise cancellation was awful. And another thing was like the conference speakerphone didn't have a lot of ports, so we had to buy a different hub to use a lot of ports. And as that one is actually a MacBook Pro M1 Max, and we had to use another port to charge the laptop. But after I have noticed that there is this HiDock conference speakerphone which comes with a very loud speaker, 360-degree microphone. I mean, there are 4 different microphones. The microphone arrays are really very well distributed. There are hardware buttons to control each and every single function. Let me show you. There is a button to enable or disable the HDMI port. There is a button to make the phone call. There is a button to mute the speaker. There is a button to mute the microphone. There is a button to record the conference. And also there are 2 volume rockers. Yeah, this one comes with a record button because this one comes with 32GB of storage inside this HiDock conference speaker phone. So this isn't gonna use your laptop or computer's storage. Test record. How good is the sound quality? It's actually amazing. I like this. Now let's talk about the ports. This one supports 100 watt PD pass-through. That means very fast speed, and we can actually recharge our MacBook Pro M1 Max within 87 minutes. This one comes with a HDMI port. This one supports 4K HDMI output. So yeah, that really makes a big difference. Also, this one comes with 3 other USB ports. One of those ports is actually a USB 3.0 5 gigabit per second transfer speed supported port, so we can easily connect any external hard disk or SSD drive. There are 2 other USB 2.0 ports which can be used for other accessories like mouse or keyboard. Well, let me show you clearly. There are 4 microphones, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So wherever the person is sitting, how far is the person? Within 5 meters, this one will pick up the voice very clearly. And also, I'm pretty surprised by the performance of this speaker. We have even actually tried to use this speaker to listen to some music, and sound performance is really nice. Crisp and clear vocal and pretty warm sound quality.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what.
So this one will get 10 out of 10 for build quality and design, 10 out of 10 for speaker and microphone quality. Well, we have talked about appearance, outlook, design, features, build quality, but how about doing some real life tests? Let's connect this one with my MacBook Pro M1 Max. Well, as I mentioned earlier, there is a very nice LED light. This light actually shows the status and volume level. Check this. When I press on this microphone mute button, this one becomes red. So we instantly understand that the microphone is in mute mode. One more press, microphone is already unmuted. We know that we can talk through. There is a speaker mute button, and the display will actually show that the speaker is mute or unmute. There are volume rockers, and I'm pretty happy to see that there is OSD on MacBook Pro M1 Max, so I know the sound level. If you don't want to check your display panel, then you can even check over here. Look at this. So yeah, it's really very convenient. Well, let's make a FaceTime call and let's check the performance of this HiDock conference speakerphone. Hello Chichi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. The sound quality is okay. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Yeah, I can also hear you clearly. Well, we should check this one in your place. Let's switch the place. Well, now I am in a conference call with all of my employees. They are sitting in different places of the workplace, and the HiDock speaker is actually placed in the middle of the workplace. So let's listen to the sound. Let's check how good is the sound quality and how good is noise cancellation. They start talking with me at the same time and it feels like a mess. But due to very good noise cancellation and voice pickup, HiDock offers crisp and clear sound quality. Let's listen to them.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Well, as I mentioned earlier, this one comes with a USB 3.0 port and supports or offers 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate. You can see clearly this one actually offers 5 gigabit per second data transfer rate. There is another thing I want to show. That's this button, which actually helps us a lot because whenever we don't want to share our screen through this HDMI port, we can just press on this one. Well, our HDMI port is enabled. Press again, HDMI port is disabled. Let us demonstrate. There is another thing I must mention, and that is after we have started using this HiDock conference speakerphone with a lot of USB ports and HDMI port pass-through charging, the desk where we use this one actually became a lot cleaner than before because we don't have a cable mess. We don't have to use a lot of cables to connect a lot of things. There is only simple one cable which connects this HiDock with the computer, and all the other things now are connected to this one. And as we don't have to connect a lot of things using cable like the speaker, we don't have to connect another additional microphone because there are 4 nice microphones. We don't have to connect another hub. We don't have to connect another USB-C cable to power up this laptop or to recharge this laptop. So yeah, the desk actually is a lot cleaner than before. As you have seen when I have unboxed this HiDock conference speakerphone, this one actually comes with a tiny little cable, which personally I prefer, but some of you may require a longer cable to connect this with a computer which is actually placed far away. Yeah, this brand actually offers a 1 meter cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, which can be purchased separately. Well, this is a plug-and-play device. You don't have to download any application, you don't have to download any driver, you don't have to do anything to start using this one. Unbox it, unwrap it, plug it in, you're good to go. Kudos to HiDock for making something so nice and so easy to use.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow